Welcome to Codifix, where you learn and enhance your programming experience. In this video, we have shared how name error. Name function name is not defined might occur. The name error. Name function name is not defined error message indicates that you are trying to use a function or variable that has not been defined in your current scope. To fix this error, you should ensure that the function or variable is defined and accessible in the current scope. Check for typos or misspellings, and make sure that the function or variable is imported if it is defined in a different module or namespace. Here's an example of how this error might occur. When you run this code, you will get this type of error. In this example, the function greet is defined, but we attempt to call it using a misspelled namegret. This will result in a name error. Namegret is not defined error. To fix the error, we should correct the function name to greet. Now let's run this code. Hopefully this video helps you to sort out the issue you were facing. If you still face problem or need further help, just write in comments. I will reply you as soon as possible. Before you go, if you like this video, you can subscribe for this channel for future videos, which can help and assist you further.